a bit later than those weights I've been having, but it's a nice Tudor buckle. Very nice, in fact. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. It's got its middle bar in place. It's what they call a spectacle buckle. Happy days. Live dig, ladies and gents. It's another spectacle button. That is a spectacle button, Tudor period, intact. Lovely jubbly. Oh, it's another buckle. It's a buckle day today. What were they doing on here? There's a lot of iron here, so they were living here. Pretty sure of that. That's number 4. Ladies and gents, I think they were making shoe buckles here. This is the 6th one I've had today. Another spectacle button, so they're all Tudor. There it is in the mud.